10 major new changes regarding the Galaxy S24 Ultra. I can't believe, but we are less than a month away from the official Unpacked event for the Galaxy S24 series. Samsung is indeed going absolutely all out with the S24 Ultra for 2024. Let's start with the most important camera upgrade, which is coming to the main sensor. Galaxy S24 Ultra might output 24 megapixel photos by default compared to 12 megapixels of the previous generation. You're gonna get twice the resolution without any decrease in HDR quality. This is the single killer change that Apple did on the iPhone 15 Pro series, which proved to be such a big difference maker compared to all the other competition, and now seems like Samsung is about to do the same thing. Now, Galaxy S24 Ultra will offer the best 8K video experience on any phone on the market right now. In addition to taking 8K videos at 30 FPS out of the main sensor, you can now use the new 5x 50 megapixel sensor to take 8K videos at 5x magnification. This will be the first flagship smartphone to shoot 8K video out of that 5x zoom sensor. People are very skeptical about the 5x zoom, but guys, seems like this new 5x zoom is looking like a solid upgrade over the S23 Ultra. Now, this 5x zoom sensor will also be able to take portrait zoom photos, so you'll now be able to shoot portrait mode photos from 1x, 2x, 3x, and 5x magnifications. Now, it's further mentioned that this 5x zoom will have superior stabilization. You will be able to take smoother videos as well as shoot better night mode / low light photos out of this 5x sensor. Now, enough about the cameras. Galaxy S24 Ultra could be the strongest phone on the market. Yes, the S24 Ultra is said to be the first phone to utilize the new Corning Gorilla Glass armor with incredible improvement to the durability. Not just that, the titanium frame is not just for the show off and the premiumness. It's actually going to make the phone about 56% better in durability compared to aluminum frame from last generation. Samsung is indeed trying to make the unbreakable Galaxy. Of course, no phone is unbreakable, but yes, the S24 Ultra is getting very strong. Now, no Galaxy S24 video will be complete without talking about AI. There are so many features that are getting leaked every single day. We now know that the S24 series will introduce Intelligent Gallery fully backed with AI. One of the new leaked features of the Intelligent Gallery is to improve the background of your subject in the photo. For example, if you take a photo in front of a building or a tree and you don't like how the background is looking behind the subject, you can actually use the help of AI to adjust the background according to your liking, and I'm guessing you can do the same thing with the subject as well. Also, as we talked about it before, S24 series will have their own built-in AI chatbot. One of the coolest things you can do is give AI any title, for example, love, and it can write essay on it and also summarize the most important points. And finally, the single take on the S24 Ultra can now shoot up to 10x zoom. So there we go. These were the 10 major new updates that were leaked just in the past couple of days, compiled in this video. Let me know which one is your favorite in the comment section below. Make sure you subscribe for all the latest up-to-date videos. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.